Good afternoon, Taki traders. Looking at NATGAS on the 22nd of May, seeing the week out. The US market still to come online, see how they react. But at the end of the day, it is looking bearish in regards to the weather that's coming up. NatGasweather.com has printed low to very low for the next 15 days of demand. That's taking us into June. Reading their report, it's looking that still not until towards the middle and end of June are we going to see anything that may even resemble slightly bullish weather. Still below here. And the thing is, if we cannot get over these low production prints or lower production prints, prices could have a absolute hemorrhage, especially if storage fills up or shows signs of at least being extensively filled up. Here's the forecast for the next few weeks. Slightly larger. So as you can see, there's still an issue. It's still looking bearish on all fronts for natural gas. That said, we can see how quickly this can rally. So this can all turn around. I'm wondering how much of the news is currently baked into the price. We've got some fib entries here, but NatGas doesn't really play to fibs as much as other instruments. But I still wouldn't be surprised if we still see one more leg down on price, back to these sub $1.80 marks. But the contract expiry next week, see what happens. And it will be interesting to see if there is any sort of rally. But with the weather on AccuWeather, apart from some storm, there's not substantial heat. With NatGasweather.com reporting their repeated bearish stance, and NatGas Intel not again giving us any insight into anything resembling slightly bullish. I still think we're going to see down. However, I'm going to be careful looking towards that start of June when the reports come in and start showing forecasts for end of July. Start of July, end of June. I think if we start seeing some bullish weather then, because when summer hits, it could possibly hit hot and hard, and production may not have caught back up then. And that's when we're going to get a rally. That's when we're going to see snap up to 2, then it's going to go 210, 220, 230. Who knows where from there. And then after summer, well, that's just a bit far out at the moment. So normally I don't like to hold over the weekend. Keeping my short open over the weekend. Made some good money from it this week. Not quite satisfied to take profits just yet. As I said, I'm feeling like there is looking like with all this bearishness popping up. Happy to hold over the weekend with this short and see what happens. I wanted to show you one more thing. Sorry, well, I find it on this report. Yes, there we go. The demand here. As you can see, there's the average. That's the forecast until we get something north, and I'm saying quite decent, reasonably north of this average. I just don't think we're going to see any main rally. There's also issues with deliveries that have been cancelled in June, July. So that as well is having a negative impact on price. And on the 4 hour, as we can see, if we zoom in on here, it's just red candles. So it looking like we're going to get sub $1.80. But the contract expiry next week could provide some relief, depending on what is expected further up in July. So, happy trading on the NatGas. Watch that if you do short for that sudden snap back up. If you are long, keep your position protected, because there probably is a little bit more downside. And if there is this issue of storage being full, you're probably going to have a bit of either have a stop loss or just going to have to hold some pain while the market digests that. Happy trading. We'll catch you next week.